Ready to watch? From the home screen, press 1 or the TiVo button to go to My Shows. If you're on any other screen, press the TiVo button twice. My Shows contains all of your recordings, plus links to your streaming videos from video on demand or apps like Netflix, Hulu, and more. This is the Continue Watching strip, a shortcut to the shows you've been watching most recently. Move left or right to highlight a show, then press OK to quickly pick up where you left off, whether you're in the middle of an episode or ready to start the next one in the series. To remove a show from this strip without permanently deleting it from My Shows, press D. Press down to go to the Filter strip, which lets you narrow your My Shows choices instantly. Just press C or move left or right to cycle through filters like Movies, TV, and Kids. Press A to change which filters appear and in what order. You can also choose to sort My Shows or any individual strip or list by name or date. Press B to change the sorting method. As you scroll through your My Shows list, icons next to a series title tell you at a glance where you'll find new episodes and recordings. Use the up and down arrows to scroll through the list, or use channel up or down to page through the list quickly. For series, select the title to see an episode list, where you can choose which episode to watch. If you always want the newest episodes at the top of the list, press B to sort the list by date. When you've found what you want to watch, press play to start watching, or press OK to get viewing options and more information. Prefer to see episode images instead of a list? From the main My Shows list, press A to get the options screen, then set Show Episode Strip to Yes. And remember, to go back to the previous screen at any time, press the back button on your remote. My Shows, all of your recordings and streaming videos in one place. Sit back and enjoy the show.